Look, I'm holding Katie's eyeglass.
You're holding your own now?
I'm holding my eyeglass.
Oh, ridiculous.
Get off! I don't want an eyeglass. Hold on, let's see. Let me see.
We're
Let
gonna
me
do
see.
goggles now. Wormwood shop.
Ew, they're a little on me. Or how about these ones? I can be parasulting. You can have them. You can have them. You can.
They like you. So ninja like that.
What? We could be like, what's that guy called?
Scary. Like off the Swan movie.
Squan.
They look scary. They like kill people. Don't they?
We could be boys.
Bring them to me. Other way. Other way.
We like doing that.
They went away.
We could do these ones.
Dude, I'm a race car driver.
What? They're going by crooked? They can get fixed. Okay.
Oh, I broke your glasses.
Now they're on straight.
Yeah.
We could do this one.
You look like one of those freaky ass dogs.
We can do these old lady ones.
You look like a pretty old lady.
You look,
Girl, I'll hit you with my cane.
girl, don't talk to me like that.
You know what, girl? I got a cane and I'll slap you with it. Then we should do that cane thing. Only that.
Hold on.
Do the goggles. Let's videotape with the goggles and then we'll switch to the old lady ones and I'll be like, girl, I can hit you with your cane.